Hey guys, it's the other Matt this time. The one that usually talks, Big Matt, is playing with fire this time. And so anyways, we got bored and we made same thing that we've been making, thing that shoots BBs out of a NERF. And we put a different firecracker that's like a short fuse. Boom, boom. So it might just explode the whole thing, which it probably will. So, have fun, and what are you doing?
I'm trying to light this on fire.
Okay, no, don't light it on fire. After. Okay, ready? So we're gonna light this. I'm gonna stand back just for the fun. He's scared.
Oh shit. Oh gosh.
What the heck? What did you do if it blew up? You suck at that.
Aim it.
Oh gosh. Okay. Waiting for that. Didn't even hit the can, but oh well. Now you're lighting the can on fire. Where'd it go? Oh, there's part of it, yeah. Okay.
It blew the thing up.
Why is it on fire?
Don't shine the light right on it.
Okay, oh, here's another thing right here, if you wanted to know. Yeah, he's just lighting stuff now. Where'd it go?
It struck. Alright, stop it.
Okay, well, have fun. Rate, subscribe, comment. Oh, my shoe's on fire. Just kidding.